Okay, this is our apartment on the outside. This is our alleyway. It's pretty safe. It's one way. New construction over there. And the annoying Taysil, whatever medical equipment they sell. They make a lot of noise. But this is the inside of the lobbyway. Down here is the storage for the owners. We store our luggage here, and she actually has a ceramic studio. This is where they have some parties and stuff like that. But we don't usually go there. So this is our place. And we're inside. These are the recyclables. We recycle glass, plastic, and paper. We just recently changed around the apartment. This is the lounge area. Used to be our mattresses. And TV. Grocery bag. Reusable. These are our nice windows that open up. And kitchen table, office. We have to put the computer right here, basically, when we talk to get the best reception. Drew got a guitar for free. And kitchen. One sink. Dryer. The toaster is cool because you can toast stuff up here. And just storage. Our fridge. There it is. And microwave, stove is cool. And 2 burners. Bedroom, heater. So this is their bedroom, came nicely decorated. This is the mattress for the futon, actually. This is our closet. Drew's clothes, bathroom. It's pretty nice. Everything's new. It was renovated in April. Tall rack, showers, very tiny, very awkward. And toilet. It's a good toilet. That's just toilet paper. Oh, here's the buttons to push it. And I think that's about it for now. I'll take you outside later. So, oh, there's the guy walking by. So I get to people watch. So, hope you enjoyed the tour of our apartment. I will send you another video on our metro system and where we go shopping and stuff like that. Love you. Bye.